my channel. So today I was going to practice makeup looks for my cousin's wedding. This is the first attempt and I freaking love it. So this is the one. This is what I'm gonna wear. Black dress. I knew for a fact that I wanted red lipstick and a classic makeup look, so I have the wing liner going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my foundation. I love the Estee Lauder Double Wear for special occasions, so that's what I'm applying. For concealer, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic one, and that day I had some pimps showing up, so I was trying to cover them. This concealer, it is so thick that I have to use a setting spray. This is a setting spray in a travel size bottle. I just love to do that. So I'm going to spray my sponge and blend it out. So now, this is one of my favorite beauty items. It is the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Yellow. It's a corrector, but oh my god, for your under eye circles, Lord, will it brighten them up. It is so nice. I'm just applying some banana powder to my under eyes, and I'm going to be setting my face. You guys, I need to tell you guys something. So I haven't filmed in a long time, and I had my filming thingies in the storage room. So I went to the storage room and I'm so clumsy, so I hit my face, my head on one of the lighting boxes, and I have a lot of dust on my right side, which for y'all on the screen, it's the left side. So it's just dust. When I was done filming that I changed into the dress, I was like, oh my god, this was there the entire time and I just found out, so I'm sorry. Okay, for my shadow, I am using the Morphe 35M palette, the Boss Mood. It is such a nice palette. I love every shade in it. I just applied the brown ones to my crease. Then I'm applying this like burnt orange to my crease as well. It is such a beautiful color. Like every shade in this palette, I swear, it's so nice. Then I'm applying darker browns, I guess, to my crease as well. And then I'm applying this light shade to my lid, and it's so embarrassing because you can see all the freaking polvo on my head. So I'm quickly going to apply this darker shade to the outer V of my eye to give it a little bit of depth, and then we're applying some black shadow on the line of your eyelid, like eyeliner, but not really. So I'm just doing that, and then what do I do next? For the highlight, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. I think it was Molten Gold, something like that, the shade. And I'm just applying that to my inner corner and my brow bone. And then I'll be applying it to my face, just highlighting my face, my cheekbones, and my nose. So for my lips, I am using one of the Essence lip liners. It's in a shade red, I don't know the name. And then for the lipstick, I am using a liquid lipstick by Wet n Wild. It's in a shade red, I don't know the name, I'm the worst, I swear. And then this is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I don't know when or what I'll film, but yeah. I hope you guys liked the video, and bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.